For today, I have two stocks. Grasim certainly is looking good to me. The way Grasim has closed, looks like it's heading to levels closer to 3,300. However, I would have a stop below 3130 on Grasim and trade long. Grasim is a buy. Second stock that looks good to me for today is HDFC Bank. What a up move. A good consolidation, a breakout at 802. Again a breakout at 813 or so. And looks like HDFC Bank is climbing to levels closer to 845. I would have a stop below 816 on HDFC Bank and trade long. HDFC Bank also is a buy.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Coal India in the cash segment at 382 levels, holding the short position so initiated with a stop loss at 385, expecting to book profits at 376 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Dr. Reddy's in the cash segment at 2,350 levels, holding these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 2,326, expecting to book profits at 2,377 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to short May futures of HPCL at 412 levels, holding the short position so initiated with a stop loss at 416, expecting to book profits at 406 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Two trading ideas. The first one is RCOM. I think the stock has been, showing some very strong signs of up move. It's been taking resistance around that 140 to 145 band. But my sense is, I think the moment it breaks the upper end of the band 145 on a closing basis, probably from a weekly perspective as well, I think that could offer some very fresh breakout signals on the smaller term as well as the medium term charts. And I believe from a shorter term time frame, one could look at a target of 153, 155 on RCOM. From a medium term perspective, the target could be 180 plus on RCOM. The shorter term stop loss should be kept at around 140. The second stock we know which stands out in this kind of sideways market is HCL Tech. I think the stock yesterday managed to break the 50-day moving average. The price, closing yesterday was probably at the high point of the day, which shows an indication that the buying support probably maintained throughout the entire session yesterday. So my sense is, I think somewhere close to 1440, 1450 band could be a good level to enter HCL Tech with a short-term target of 1495 and a stop loss of 1410.
Gargi, a buy in Ultratech Cement, stop loss of 2330, target of 2480. The second call is a buy in HCL Tech, stop loss of 1410, target of 1515.
Today I have a sell call on Allahabad Bank, sell that with a stop at 131 for targets of 122. Ambuja Cement is a buy, but wait for the stock to start trading above levels of 222. Buy then with a stop at 215, look for targets of 240. Arvind is a sell with a stop at 187.5 for short-term targets of 178, and a couple of buy calls from the technology sector. I like Tech Mahindra. That's a buy with a stop below 1850 for targets of 1980, and a buy on CNX IT with a stop at 9,100 for targets of around 9450 on the upside.